More than 1 million people across Michigan are at risk of losing access to their Supplemental Nutritious Assistance Program benefits, or SNAP benefits, beginning next month. Thanks for joining us. I'm Andy Dominiani.
And I'm Jessica Harthorn. This news comes after the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services was instructed to temporarily pause assistance following a funding lapse caused by the ongoing federal government shutdown.
Now, more than 3 weeks in, News Channel 3's Mackenzie Decker visited the South Michigan Food Bank, one of many places affected by this change.
SNAP is the nation's largest food assistance program and one of the most effective tools when addressing food insecurity. So here at the South Michigan Food Bank, they're navigating what that might look like for them if those benefits were scaled back. A pause affecting more than 1 million Michiganders.
The SNAP program should continue in full force through the rest of this month, but some of the funding for next month looks like it's in question.
The U.S. Department of Agriculture's Food and Nutrition Service alerting Michigan officials to withhold November SNAP benefits until further notice due to limited funding caused by the ongoing federal government shutdown. Here at the South Michigan Food Bank, they serve 8 different counties, and those counties are estimated to have roughly 125,000 people receiving SNAP benefits. So if that resource is withheld, CEO Peter Vogel says more people could turn to them for help.
Some of those folks relying on the SNAP program just to make ends meet every month to get through, if that program would scale back, naturally they're going to come to our distribution sites.
For context, to the impact SNAP has on our state, Vogel says Feeding America, a network of more than 200 food banks, distributed 6 billion meals last year, whereas SNAP gave out 9.5 billion, a little over 150% more meals, leaving those at the food bank a little nervous for if and when SNAP is paused.
Cuts to the SNAP program will be a challenge. I say that by also saying we're here, we're the South Michigan Food Bank, we're not going anywhere.
While cuts continue at the federal level, Vogel says the food bank is prepared to make the loss up elsewhere, such as jumping into their own cash reserves. And he says they're in a position to feel comfortable keeping their commitment of getting out as much food as they possibly can.
We think it's going to be a bit of a challenge, we do. But we're here, we're committed, we're ready to do what we can to be able to manage the need going forward.
And we'll have links to all of those resources from the South Michigan Food Bank and their distributors on our website at WWMT.com. In Battle Creek, Mackenzie Decker, News Channel 3.